Alright guys, so today's lick is a little bit complicated and it's based on mixing arpeggios. One arpeggio makes tension, another makes release, and we mix them. Tension, release, and so on. Alright? So we start with 3 approach notes which lead us to the root of C minor 7. And we've got C minor 7 arpeggio, then we go smoothly into B diminished 7 arpeggio, then go back smoothly to C minor 7 arpeggio, then we use F diminished 7 arpeggio which releases smoothly into the 9th of the F7 chord. So how it works? B diminished 7 arpeggio and F diminished 7 arpeggio, which is in fact the same notes, those are interchangeable, they are secondary dominants to the C minor 7. So we've got release, tension, and then release. So this is the first part of the lick. In the second part we use 3 approach notes which lead us to strong structure, E flat major 9 arpeggio, which creates great color over F7 chord. Why? Because we use flat 7, then major 9th, then perfect 11th, then major 13th. So we play extensions of F7 chord and it sounds great. Then we've got little scale fragment and 3 approach notes which lead smoothly into 13th of C minor 7, which creates Dorian sound. That's all folks, thank you for watching. If you wanna download the tab you have to click in the link below. Have a nice day, don't forget to practice and see you later.